Sir, tapos na po yung sinaing.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Ano sasabihin mo?
Sir, may sinaing na po. Sir, may sinaing po sa baba. Hindi, sir, tapos na po yung sinaing. Wait lang. Kinakabahan ako.
Sinain? Parang kilala mo kasi sinain. Are you recording me again? But the guy, guys, what's happening? Are you making us silly? Yeah? May sign na kayo? Okay. Ginagawa. Tanong na. Wait lang yan! Ba't kumiyak? Kumain kayo may hiya. Galingan nyo.